unlocking the mystery of replay in one's mind. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in English conversations: replay in one's mind. Have you ever found yourself thinking over and over about something that happened? That's exactly what we're talking about today. We'll explore its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and give you examples to help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. The phrase, replay in one's mind, refers to the act of thinking about a past event repeatedly. Imagine your mind as a video player that can pause, rewind, and play scenes from your life. When you replay something in your mind, you are going over these events again and again, often analyzing or reliving the emotions and details of those moments. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal contexts. It's versatile, fitting nicely into narratives, reflections, and even in discussions about mental health or personal growth. In narratives or storytelling, when sharing personal experiences or stories, saying you replayed a moment in your mind adds depth to your narrative, showing how significant that moment was to you. In reflections, in introspective conversations, or when giving advice, mentioning that you're replaying certain events in your mind can highlight your thought process or the importance of those events in learning a lesson. Mental health discussions. It can also be used to describe the process of obsessively thinking about certain events, which might be part of broader conversations about coping mechanisms or anxiety. Example sentences. 1. After the job interview, I kept replaying the conversation in my mind, wondering if I answered all the questions correctly. 2. She replayed their last conversation in her mind, trying to understand where things went wrong. For English language learners, mastering the use of this phrase can add a layer of sophistication to your spoken and written English. Here are a few tips. Practice. Try to use replay in one's mind in your own sentences. Think about a significant event in your life and describe it to a friend, including how you've replayed it in your mind. Listen for it. Pay attention to movies, TV shows, and conversations where this phrase might be used. It will help you understand the nuances of its use in different contexts. Pair it with emotions. Often, the events we replay in our minds are tied to strong emotions. Practice using the phrase with adjectives that describe these emotions, such as happily replayed or anxiously replayed. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase replay in one's mind with confidence. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discovery. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't hesitate to replay this video in your mind or in reality whenever you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.